With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Assertion is chloride shift is exchange of chlorine ions of plasma and HCO3 negative of RBCs, and the reason is that the chloride shift it maintains an acid-base balance between the RBCs and the plasma. So basically we have to talk about chloride shift. So basically chloride shift, it is the movement of chloride ions inside the RBCs. So movement of chloride ions into our RBCs. So what happens in our RBCs, the carbon dioxide and water, they react to form carbonic acid. So carbonic acid is formed in our red blood cells. So furthermore, this carbonic acid, it then dissociates into hydrogen carbonate ions, that is HCO3 negative, and hydrogen ions, that is H positive. So it dissociates into this. Then the plasma membrane of the cell, it is relatively permeable to negative ions. So it is permeable to negative ions. So then what happens is, due to this, the hydrogen carbonate ions, these ions, they diffuses out of the cell. So they diffuse out of the cell into the plasma, and these hydrogen ions, these remains in the red blood cells. So they remains in the red blood cells. So furthermore, this creates a net positive charge inside the RBCs. So there is a net positive charge. So net positive charge is there inside the RBCs. So as a result of which the chloride ions that are from the plasma, they comes into the red blood cells. So this chloride ions, they diffuses into the red blood cells that was there in the plasma. So this has neutralized the hydrogen ions, that is positive ion concentration inside the cells by diffusion of negative ions that are chloride. So thus the neutralization of the charges, it takes place inside the cell and plasma as well. So now if we come to the assertion was chloride shift is the exchange of chlorine ions into the plasma and HCO3 negative of RBCs. So we have discussed that HCO3 negative ions, it diffuses out of the cell, and chloride ions, it diffuses inside the RBC. So this is correct. And the reason is that the chloride shift maintains an acid-base balance between RBCs and plasma. So we have discussed this also, that the chloride ions, it maintains the acid-base balance. So both of these are correct. So our correct option is both assertion and reason are correct, and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.